Hey there, crystal lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore everything energy, mindfulness, and good vibes. If you've ever picked up a crystal, maybe a soft pink rose quartz or a shimmering amethyst, and asked yourself, does this actually work? You're definitely not alone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most intriguing spiritual questions of the modern age. Do healing crystals really work? Let's get into it. What are healing crystals? To understand whether crystals work, we first need to understand what they are. Healing crystals are natural minerals, some formed deep in the earth under intense pressure, others formed in calm, ancient seabeds. For thousands of years, civilizations from ancient Egypt to Tibet, from the Aztecs to Chinese medicine, have used crystals for healing, protection, and spiritual connection. These stones are believed to carry their own vibrational frequency. In other words, just as your phone or radio works with frequencies and signals, crystals are said to work with the subtle energy field of the body. Each crystal is believed to resonate with different energies. Rose quartz, often called the love stone, is said to help open the heart and promote self-love, compassion, and emotional healing. Amethyst is believed to enhance spiritual awareness and protect against negativity. Black tourmaline is known for its grounding qualities and is often used for protection against toxic energy. Then there's citrine, commonly referred to as the success stone, associated with abundance and manifestation. Is there scientific proof? Now let's get into the big question. Is there scientific evidence that crystals actually heal you? This is where the conversation gets interesting. From a strict scientific point of view, there's little to no evidence that crystals emit healing energy that can treat diseases or alter physical health. You won't find them in medical textbooks or clinical trials, and if you ask most scientists, they'll chalk up any positive experiences to the placebo effect. But that's not the end of the story, because science has confirmed something else that matters just as much, if not more: the power of belief. The placebo effect is a scientifically proven phenomenon where the mind can influence the body simply by believing something will help. When people use crystals with intention and feel relief, calm, or clarity, it's not a trick. It's a demonstration of the mind-body connection. When we believe in something, we give our body permission to relax, reset, and align. Energy, intention, and spiritual use. Let's go deeper into why crystals can still have a real impact. Crystals are not magic wands. They are reminders, anchors. When you hold a crystal during meditation or wear one as jewelry, you're creating a ritual, a personal practice rooted in intention. That's powerful. Say you're working through a breakup. You might reach for rose quartz to invite healing and self-love. By simply having that stone nearby, you're reinforcing your intention to move forward and take care of yourself. That moment of focus, the slowing down of thoughts, the feeling of comfort and control, that's the real power behind crystals. They create space for healing to begin within you. Many people incorporate crystals into daily routines: journaling, yoga, moon rituals, breath work, or even just placing them on their nightstand to promote better sleep. The crystal becomes a physical object connected to an internal process, your own thoughts, goals, and emotional awareness. That's where the shift happens, and that's what makes the experience feel spiritual, grounding, and in some cases, life-changing. A quick note from WishCrystal.com. If you're just starting your crystal journey, or maybe you're already building a personal collection for ethically sourced options, here's a quick shout out to our sponsor, WishCrystal.com. They've been in the crystal space for over 13 years, providing high-quality, wholesale-priced crystals for mindful makers, collectors, and spiritual shop owners across the U.S. Whether you're building your own altar or stocking up for your healing practice, WishCrystal.com has something for everyone and every intention. So, do healing crystals really work? At the end of the day, whether or not crystals work comes down to one key thing: your relationship with them. If you expect a stone to cure all your problems without effort, you may walk away disappointed. But if you're open to the process, if you're willing to reflect, focus, and engage with your inner world, then crystals can absolutely serve as powerful tools for transformation. They won't rewrite your fate, but they can help you rewrite your mindset. They won't change your reality overnight, but they can shift your perspective and help you find clarity in moments of chaos. Crystals work in the space between science and spirit, between belief and behavior. And in that space, incredible things can happen. So, yes, in many ways, healing crystals do work. Not because they break the laws of physics, but because they help you tap into something ancient, intuitive, and deeply human, the desire to grow, heal, and feel better. If this video helped you see crystals in a new light, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with a fellow spiritual seeker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.